Eating fruit on a regular basis can boost health. Fruits are a good source of vitamins and minerals. It is recognized for their role in preventing vitamin C and vitamin A deficiencies. People who incorporate fruits and vegetables as a part of healthy eating patterns have a reduced risk of some chronic diseases. Carbohydrates are an important source of energy, but person with a diabetes should be careful when choosing which carbs to eat. Carbohydrates directly affect blood glucose levels more than other nutrients. When people make it with fresh fruit is more likely to cause a sugar spike than whole fruits, and it also provides less fiber. These fruits are not good for the diabetes patients. Let's take a look at some of these fruits. 1. Mangoes. Mangoes are rich in carbohydrates and their calories content is also high. Mangoes packed with high in an antioxidant improves immunity and support heart health. Mangoes have moderate glycemic index and high in glucose 11.3 grams per half cup sliced. If you are a diabetic, you need to limit the portion of the mangoes. You can consume 1 to 2 slices in every 2 days. 2. Bananas. Bananas are high in potassium and pectin, a form of fiber. They can also be a good way to get magnesium and vitamin C and B6. Banana contains sugar and carbs, but it is rich in fiber and has a low glycemic index. Bananas contains sugar 9.2 grams per half cup sliced. Diabetics can eat banana but in moderation. 3. Cherries. Cherries are a good source of fiber, vitamins and minerals including potassium, calcium, vitamin A and folic acid. They are also well known for their antioxidant properties. Cherries has got medium level glycemic index about 62. Sugar level is 8.4 grams per half cup. You should eat in a moderate level if you are a diabetics and avoid excess amount of cherries. 4. Pineapple. Pineapple is packed with nutrients, antioxidants and other helpful compounds. Choose fresh pineapple or canned pineapple without added sugar and avoid any sugary syrup. Pineapples also contain trace amounts of vitamin A, K, phosphorus, zinc, and calcium. Pineapple has a medium glycemic index and 8.1 grams per half cup chunks. 5. Watermelon. It contains only 46 calories per cup, but it has high in vitamin C, vitamin A, and many healthy plant compounds. Watermelon contains high fiber and water if you are eating a good volume of food without a lot of calories. Watermelon has a high glycemic index and sugar 4.7 grams per half cup diced. People with diabetes can consume little amount of watermelon at one time. 6. Grapes. Grapes contain vitamin C, beta carotene, quercetin, lutein, lycopene, and ellagic acid, which are powerful antioxidants as well. 1 cup of grapes contains 288 milligram of potassium. Grapes has a low glycemic index and sugar 7.5 grams per half cup. If you are a diabetic, you need to limit the portion of grapes you consume to half cup in every 2 days. 7. Kiwi. Kiwis are high in vitamin C and dietary fiber and provide a variety of health benefits. This tart fruit can support heart health, digestive health, and immunity. Kiwis has a low glycemic index and sugar is 8.1 grams per half cup sliced. While kiwis are safe to eat, moderation is key to prevent a spike in blood sugar. 8. Plum. Plums are relatively low in calories but contain a fair amount of important vitamins and minerals. Plums are rich in antioxidants which are helpful for reducing inflammation and protecting your cells from damage by free radicals. Plum has a low glycemic index and sugar 8.2 grams per half cup sliced. However, plum have quite a bit of sugar and you should eat moderately if you are a diabetics. 9. Blueberries. Blueberries are superfood packed with antioxidants and phytoflavonoids. These berries are also high in potassium and vitamin C. They lower your risk of heart disease, cancer, and they are also anti-inflammatory. Blueberry falls under low glycemic category and sugar is 7.2 grams per half cup. 10. Honeydew melon. Honeydew as vitamin C helps to boost your immune system, healthy skin, strengthen tissues, and promote healthy brain function. It has a potassium for healthy heart function and copper aids in skill cell regeneration. Honeydew melon glycemic index is moderate and sugar is 7.9 per half cup sliced. While honeydew melon are safe to eat, moderation is key to prevent a spike in blood sugar in case of diabetes.